Hello children, today you are learning exercise 6.3 of lesson algebraic expressions and identities. So first one is carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pairs. So first question is PQ, QR. We have to multiply PQ to Q plus R. This is monomial and this expression is binomial. Because in these two terms are there, Q plus R, and here only one single term. What is that? 4P is equal to 4P into bracket Q plus R. First we have to multiply this 4P to this Q, means 4P into Q, this plus sign as it is. Next we have to multiply this 4P to this R, 4P into R is equal to 4PQ plus 4PR. Now further you cannot add these terms because these both are unlike terms. Addition and subtraction is possible only and only with the like terms. So the answer is 4PQ plus 4QR. Second one, AB comma A minus B means is equal to AB into bracket A minus B. Means first we have to multiply this AB to this A. AB into A. Now this minus sign. Next AB into B. AB into B is equal to A into A square. B as it is we have to write. Minus sign. A as it is. B into B square. Now you cannot subtract both the terms because these both are unlike terms. So the answer is A square B minus A B square. Third one, A plus B comma 7A square B square. We know that A into B is equal to B into A. Here we have to find the multiplication in between these two terms. So instead of writing A plus B into 7AB square, I'll write this expression like this, is equal to 7A square B square into bracket A plus B bracket completed. Yes. Now we have to find the multiplication of these expressions. Is equal to, because this 7A square B square we have to multiply to A as well as B. 7A square B square into A. This plus sign as it is. Now this 7A square we have to multiply to this B. 7A square B square into B is equal to 7. A square into A, it is A cube, and B square as it is plus sign. 7 A square as it is. B square into B, it is B cube. 1 A square minus 9 comma 4A. I'll write this is equal to 4A into bracket A square minus 9, because we know that A into B is equal to B into A. Yes. Now this 4A we have to multiply to this whole bracket, that is A square and minus 9. So first 4A into A square minus sign as it is. Next 4A into 9. Now multiply. 4 into 1, no numerical coefficient, means always we have to consider it as 1. 4 into 1, it is 4. A into A square, it is A cube. Now this minus sign. Next 4 9s are 36. A as it is. So the answer is 4A cube minus 36A. PQ plus QR plus RP comma 0 means we have to multiply this to 0 is equal to 0 into bracket PQ plus QR plus RP is equal to 0 into PQ plus 0 into QR, because we have to multiply this 0 to whole bracket, that is PQ, QR and RP, plus 0 into RP. Next we know that any number multiply by 0, the answer is always 0. Therefore, 0 into PQ, 0. So, plus 0 into QR, 0. Plus sign as it is, 0 into RP, 0. Therefore, the final answer is 0. Exercise 6.3, second main. Complete the table. First expression, second expression, product. Product means we have to multiply first expression to the second expression. Means there is a multiplication in between A and B plus C plus D. First we have to multiply this A to B. Means A into B, it is AB. Next plus sign as it is. A into C, AC. This plus sign as it is. A into D, AD. So this is the product of first question. Now second, x plus y minus 5 into 5xy. First we have to multiply this 5xy to this x. Means 5xy into x means 5x into x, x square, y as it is. Next, this plus sign here. 5xy into y means 5x y square. Because y into y, y square. Next, this minus sign here, minus 5 into 5, 25, x, y here. This is the answer of second one. Now third one, p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. First we have to multiply this p to 6p square. Means 6p cube, p into p square, p cube. This minus sign. P into 7p means 7p square plus sign. P into 5, it is 5p. 4p square q square into p square. First we have to multiply to this q square, then q square. Means 4p, p square into p square, it becomes p raised to 4. Q square as it is we have to write. Now this minus sign will write as it is. Now 4p square q square means first we'll write 4p square q square into q square. It becomes q raised to 4. This is the answer. Next fifth one, a plus b plus c into abc. First this abc we have to multiply to this a. Means abc into a means a square bc. This plus sign. Now ABC into B means AB square C. Because B into B, B square. Similarly, plus sign here, this plus sign as it is we have to write. ABC into C means AB C into C, C square. Exercise 6.3, third main, find the product. In third main, first one, a raised to 2 into 2a raised to 22 into 4a raised to 26. See here, 2a means there is a multiplication in between 2a raised to 22. Means it is like this. A square into 2 into a raised to 22 into 4 into a raised to 26. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply numerical coefficient to numerical coefficient. I will write here. Here no numerical coefficient means always we have to consider it as 1. 1 into this 2 into now this 4 into now we will write all variables. A raised to 2 into a raised to 22 into a raised to 26 is equal to. Now multiply. 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Next into a raised to, see here, base are equal, multiplication means we have to add the powers. It is like this, 2 plus 22 plus 26 is equal to 8 into a raised to, add this one. See, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 means 0. Now this 2 plus 2, 4, 4 that carry 1, it becomes 5. A raised to 50. Therefore, the answer is 8a raised to 50. Second one, 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square is equal to, see, 2 by 3 into xy into minus 9 by 10 into x square y square. Now variable one side and constant one side is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10 into xy into x square y square. Now here we have to see whether cancellation is possible. Yes, whenever you have to cancel numerator to denominator. Yes, means 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 9. Therefore, the answer is minus 3 by 5. Now, xy into x square y square means x raised to, see here power is 1, here power is 1. If we'll add 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. Similarly, 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. So, the answer is minus 3 by 5, x raised to 3, y raised to 3. Third one, minus 10 by 3, p q raised to 3 into 6 by 5, p raised to 3 and q. So, next we have to multiply is equal to minus 10 by 3 into p by q raised to 3 into 6 by 5 p raised to 3 q. Now variable one side and constant one side is equal to minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 into p q raised to 3 into p raised to 3 q. Now here we have to see whether cancellation is possible. Yes, here cancellation is possible. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 is equal to. Now there is a multiplication in between this 2 and this 2. Means 2 twos are 4. But minus into plus, it is minus. Now next, p into p cube, no power means always 1. Means p raised to 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Similarly, q cube into q means q raised to 4. It is very easy. X into x square into x cube into x raised to 4 means is equal to, base are equal, means what we have to do then? We have to add the power, means see, is equal to x into, here no power means always we have to consider it as 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now go on adding 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Therefore the answer is x raised to 10.